yakan ni singa bugululu binang ni kuwa na kalima ni singa ni okasita.
Yarabanaka, good morning to everyone tuning in this beautiful morning, to all the students boarding the bus. We hope that you are ready for another school day today. Nicolas Singabuke Lulu bakan middle of the week. School week to be kami nangone. Once you reach Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, is just around the corner. Bakatan laki na napaparaw na buku ni Anggito. There's going to be a lot of games this weekend. Bakatan laki na keep in mind term examination.
And the games will be played around the country, eh? In Lambasa,
right?
In
Sabsabu, right?
Sabsabu, sorry. As well as the Buckest.
Buckest 1 and 2.
1 and 2, yo.
Bidesi, HFC Bank Stadium.
And to also to the girls, the Ralube,
right?
Who will also be playing this weekend, eh? And Ralube competition. Dems.
Good morning to everybody joining this morning, to all the drivers, to all the mothers, to all the daddy, to all the young ones. Joining this morning, we welcome you in another format of living this morning. Share your thought to your loved ones.
Right.
Share your love.
Okay.
Share your nature, how you care about them.
Right.
Nowadays,
self-care.
People are not careless, are far away from their close ones.
Right.
What do you mean far away?
Why?
Sale boleh kana nonda vitartar bat kirerewa. Explain. You are on the phone every time.
Right.
You never talk to your loved ones.
Right.
Dinasara.
Who are just beside you, eh?
Yeah. Right. Besides you. Sometimes you eat. You eat, there is a menace of eating in a proper manner.
Yes.
But you are using your phone
to watch while
eating. Then you disturbing everybody. Your children too need you. Need your time. Need your everything. Money does not cure what they need.
Right.
What they need is your time.
Right.
Is your everything to keep them. Sometimes they run from you. They want to hug you after work. But you are just carry your video call just straight from the bus to your compound.
Dinasara, that's the true story. Eh? See, one important thing for us to take into account this morning is whatever we do, our action will be so kaya ko pakasigile chiko kana chiko bang tagsurum taliboni muka ku didun rubingone ni nataka batal singa nangone ko be poskirwa
Dinasara.
Balta ko ana ka ay ko reda ngam biko.
Tolo binaka, we as adults need to set example, eh? Lead by example. Kaya bakanta binakata meron na binakana lubenda, we have to take the first step. Mentara bayar ta kabira because nanga ira pamurya nga nanonda kasing-kasi.
Right, don't know. Dem sarto sa pagano chik mabi ko na gang man police mobile.
Isa.
And na mata kabinani ko who English you o sabu pa loma o maika tombua ada tawake ay nabeno no minuto rang tay way sikira kambu waray tali.
Sandina. Serai imbol binaka from the Waimbua to Sepatoni Australia. Mesula membose na iwalu mbuli na lulu leone tinay seri liasa ratubau and also to Wasiti Tina joining this morning.
Okay, our topic this morning is about mate man nga no Dems the role that our teeth plays in our everyday life.
Very important.
Very important, mate.
Very important.
Kung chika naman na dentist, the ouch pa lang show.
Okay. If you see your mouth, it has a door.
Right.
Before you enter a door, what you see first?
Knock. Oy.
Don't knock on your door. Don't knock. Please. There is it's fully covered. It's like a
magazine.
It's protected.
It's like a kingdom.
Right.
Wow. Because it's very hard for someone to see and overlook what's inside a kingdom.
Of tooth.
A kingdom of saliva.
Look at the stream.
Yeah, because no any other parts of our body have saliva.
Right.
Only the mouth.
Right.
Where there is saliva, there is taste.
Right.
Yeah. Where there is taste, there is a form of aliveness and a healthy you are.
Big saliva.
Hey, no. That's a snake.
My kingdom has a lot of streams.
See, if you open your mouth, see me. I got absent teeth. I got absent teeth in my mouth.
Right.
But you know, teeth play a major role in your life.
Right.
Dina.
especially when you are eating. It carries a percentage of your healthiness.
Right.
Di Nasara.
If you
Yeah.
never mamam your food properly,
Right.
Yes.
you never chew your food properly, it
Yeah.
can cause another sickness in your body.
Right.
What types of food do you mamam?
What kinds of sickness?
Nobody eats sickness, Adi.
Yeah,
No,
yeah,
what
yeah.
kind of sickness can happen if you don't chew your food properly?
Mamam properly.
It can
Yeah.
cause
Mamam
pancreas damage.
Right?
It can cause sometimes the stone forming in your stomach,
Right?
Yeah.
in your kidney,
Right?
or
Consti-
and everything.
Right.
Eh?
Yeah.
So sometimes when you talk,
Right.
when you have a teeth, when you have a proper teeth, it helps you talk nicely
Right?
Yeah.
and pronounce the word nicely.
Right?
Yeah.
They are like the seawall of your mouth.
Right. Seawall of the kingdom.
Seawall of the kingdom of your mouth.
Yeah.
So when you sleep, if you have an absent fullback, kaya kaya lin mo yati muri
Hey.
kaya kaya lin
Atau back three.
the back three at
Yeah.
the back. So sometimes
Yeah.
when you sleep, heads on the side,
Right.
momo de bamba.
Yeah.
Sometimes the saliva comes to the pillow
Right.
Right.
because that. Why is that? Because there is no seawall that
Protects.
stops and protects the saliva.
The stream.
The streaming.
Oh,
So when there
yeah.
is a gap, the saliva come out.
So it's a live stream.
It's
live
like a live stream in your mouth. And Rabi
It can also happen because some when they sleep,
Yeah.
automatically
Yeah.
their mouth opens.
the mouth open.
Yeah.
But the saliva only can comes out if the teeth is absent from where
The
it's
seawall.
stand. The seawall.
Yeah.
Because the saliva
Right.
will never pass the level of your tongue.
Saan nila?
Oh, it's right. Rising sea level.
Lepo na Vanawalu,
Yeah.
she has a lot of seawall. She has a lot of seawall in her mouth.
Menduna.
Ano na below?
So
Yeah.
the seawall is like you said, the teeth plus the stream, they work together.
Right.
Yeah, they
And
walk
then-
together. They walk.
Yeah.
So if your tongue,
Yeah.
you have to. If you need, it helps too in your speaking.
Right.
Eh?
Dina.
Yeah.
Okay.
And the umboy binakatalingan ng nguso kaya kaya ngaron ni binangan ng bati.
Right.
Yeah.
And the tongue. This is play a major role.
Right.
Yeah, yeah,
So if you care about your teeth,
yeah.
it's just like this.
Yeah.
Health is wealth.
Right. And also because it's located in our head,
Yeah.
Ito kan nang tagaboka-boka. Nangunay mo sikin na ranile we can feel like headache,
Yeah.
Nalimus ng talinganda.
Right.
And it's worse.
Yeah.
Pero
Dems,
sa
Dems.
talingan ikaw tata, it can even kill us.
Dems.
Come.
There's okay, I would like to ask a question this morning, doctor. Dentist, eh? Okay.
Yeah.
Sometimes we have a dry mouth, baka mendo mama talomanda.
Yeah.
Where does the saliva go? The stream go?
Yes. It,
Okay.
it dries up.
Yeah.
The water
Yeah?
can only dry with air.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah. The water only can dry with air. So ask yourself,
Yeah.
why you open your mouth?
Right.
All right.
Why you open your mouth when the air comes in? Sometimes when your nose block,
Right.
Yeah.
you smell through your mouth.
Right.
Right.
Sometimes you can feel that dry inside your mouth because
During
the
training,
air.
Dems. Example, during training.
Huh?
Ngunan to tiradikir baka tori mama talomanda.
Yeah.
Kailan siya LM662 karua TJ.
Yeah. Sometimes because that's the power
Yeah.
of the carbon dioxide from your
Kingdom.
internal organ.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Internal kingdom.
From inside that comes out. Because carbon dioxide carries so many atoms
Yeah.
and molecules between them.
Okay, last question. When does the kingdom
Yeah.
produce a lot of stream?
Mitochondria ini produce more steam. Boleh na wale.
So when your eyes look at something that you like,
Right.
can your stream be filled up?
Some are like that. Something that
Eh?
they like
Yeah.
or they crave,
Yeah.
like
Yeah.
food,
The kingdom will fill. Yeah,
automatically,
Yeah.
the streams increase.
Yeah, the kingdom will
volume.
feel.
Right.
There's the shift going on inside me.
Right. There's
Right.
a process happening.
Yeah.
Right. You know what?
Yeah.
That transfers everything.
What?
It's a hormone.
Right.
the hormone that carries everything beside you. Because santo takatubang ko nanguniang ko nasa gaitur na rana.
Yeah.
The hormone is the rana that
Yeah.
takes everything from your body.
Yeah.
Runs through every parts and molecules that carries through the hemoglobin of the red blood cell.
Yeah.
See?
So Messi has only one hormone.
No. Tuan hormone Messi kan di apa? That's why when we really need something in the watitiweli, because we are connected that hormone with our feelings.
Oy, okay.
And doon nga ng hormone yung multitask.
Multi-skill.
Yan binaka.
May makilina daw bola.
Kamani ay 6
But
to 6.
sometimes you use the steam to wet other things.
You have to wet.
Huh?
You have to wet Atunaisa.
Messi is a wet.
Yeah. Kalioba. Hey, amigo.
Eh, isa ka lang.
Misot well sa Sterelia ambula de. Kung wala no volleyball association youth tournament at Batin Buruay settlement. Isa paano ni re?
Sili.
Ay tutaki kukalen. Tamay makelina. Sandina, daw mula binakamay namboro.
Naka.
Ano ni binaka?
Yan binaka talaga Berton na bitaman
Sa
nito
lima
mo
na
totong
siwol,
linggo.
sa mga
Ay,
nabigarabi.
6 to 6 kau tikan na ano mo kundi. Kau ngani muli ano mata kani kuha.
Iya.
Here to siya mo ta kamay.
Wadu bilang rangon deh pikir na biar kan yang nak nonda broken English nga.
Lakemba.
Kan matang di bengkaram di kuandau kama tale. Ninto tipu nama tak ketibu na marau.
Iyo, hindi na sarang.
Kita udah kami suka nangong gosen tiku di menda. Lito sortu baka. Ya ya na broken English nga yan. Salika kamburaki na BTFM eh.
Gimana na banua?
Iyo.
Bulare.
Ito sa turun ko binaka Dr. No.
Wambula talto nga
Ay baka na na police mobile. Ito siya mo may.
Police mobile bulare paano ini binak?
Iya.
Ano ini binak kenta?
Like hat mata na share.
Gori.
Edong kay limutale di mutaka.
Wais na rusa yan binaka.
Iya.
Ano man Australia, Victoria?
Miyong bulare masi ni pono baka orang ako na kumuiwai. Miyong bulare.
Waduh bilang bertuna ilaw na wasi kira kamu yan na katay. Kita sama ni bilang taltungan yan bukan karabi tabi sing binang ni kuah. Mata taka maru chukana bulla taka taka baku ko sara belo mani pag lebu bebo so so tindo bo so